Hello everyone. So today we are going to start our new topic that is arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, we'll see in progression means a series with the common difference. Any series which have the common difference or it has same difference between two terms that forms a arithmetic progressions. For example, multiples of 2, multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on, that forms a arithmetic progression. Similarly, multiples of 4, multiples of 5, multiples of 6, that forms. But if we talk about prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so the common difference is not same, so it doesn't form a arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progressions, we learn about the Init term. Now, it is a sequence of numbers such that the difference between each two consecutive term is constant. That is a plus d, and a plus 2d, then a plus 3d. The nth term is a plus n minus 1d. Yes, a plus n minus 1d, in which a represents first term, n represents number of terms, and d represents common difference. Now let's proceed with the questions. In question 1, we can see find the 10th term of the AP 2, 7, 12. See, they have already given you an AP. You have to find the 10th term. Now a is 2 and the difference is 5. Like 7 minus 2, 12 minus 7, the difference is 5. We know that we have to find out the 10th term. 10th term is a10. a10 is equals to a plus n minus 1d. So a is 2 plus n minus 1 means 10 minus 1, 9 into 5. 9 into 5 is 45 plus 2, that is 47. Now let's proceed to the next question. Write first 4 terms of the AP when the first and the common difference is given. See, in this question, they have given you first term and the difference. You have to find out the next 4 terms or the first 4 terms. Like first term is 10. If we add 10 plus 10, the second term will be 20. So if we add again 10, then we'll be getting 30. Then we'll be getting 30 plus 10, 40. Means we have to add the difference to the previous number. Now in the second part, the first term is minus 2 and the difference is 0. So first term is minus 2, second term is minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, third term is again second term plus difference, minus 2 plus 0, fourth term is third term plus difference, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2. So when the difference is 0, all the terms remains the same. Now in this third part, first term is 4, common difference is minus 3. Now you have to find out the second term. Second term is equals to first term plus difference. The first term is 4 plus minus 3, 1. Then third term is equals to second term plus difference. Then second term is 1 minus 3 minus 2. And the fourth term is third term plus difference. So we'll be getting 3 terms, 1, minus 2 and minus 4. The first 4 terms are 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. Students, we have solved these first 3 parts. Now for the next 2 parts as the homework for you all, you have to find the next 2 parts by your own by using the same method. Now next question, find the value of k for which the given series in the AP 4, k minus 1, 12. So if the series is in AP, it means the difference between the consecutive terms remains the same. It means difference between second minus first term is same as the difference between third minus second term. So what is the second term? K minus 1 minus 4, and what is the third term? 12 minus bracket mein k minus 1. So k minus 5 is equals to 12 minus k plus 1. So k will come towards the left side, it becomes 2k, and 12 plus 1 plus 5, it becomes 18. So k is equals to 9. Now next question, find the AP whose 10th term is 5 and the 18th term is 77. In this situation, you have to find out the AP. The 10th term is 5. So what represents 10th term? So 10th term is equals to A plus 10 minus 1D is equals to 5. That is A plus 9D is equals to 5. And 18th term is equals to 77. So 18th term is A plus 18 minus 1D. A plus 17D is equals to 77. We'll solve these two equations, and on solving this, AA will cut 17D and 9D will be getting 8D and 72. So D is equals to 9, and A plus 9 into 8. A plus 9 into 9 is equals to 5, and A is equals to 76. So you'll be getting minus 76, minus 67, and so on. Now next question. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27 and 39 will be 132 more than the 54th term? Means they have given you an AP whose first term is 3, difference is 12, and 54th term is A plus 53D, that is equals to 639. Now they are asking which term is 132 more than the 54th term. So first we will add 132 to the 54th term, means 132 plus 639 and becomes 771. Now which term means we have to find out the value of n. So an is equals to A plus n minus 1D. An is equals to 771 is equals to A3 plus bracket n minus 1 is equal into 12. Now 3 will come to the left side and it becomes 768 is equals to n minus 1 12. N minus 1 is equals to 64. N is equals to 65. So 65th term will be the 132 more than 54th term. It means if we add 132 to the 54th term, then it becomes the 65th term. Now next question. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? What does it mean? Means we have to find out the multiples of 4 that lie between 10 and 250. Means all those numbers should be exactly divisible by 4. So the numbers will be 4, 8, 4, 8, 4, 8, 12 and so on. But we have to take the numbers only from 10 to 250. So first number starting from 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on till 248. 248 is the largest number that is divisible by 4 and less than 250. So first number is 12, common difference is 4, last term is 248. So an is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Last term we have 248, first term we have 12 plus n minus 1, D is we have 4. So 12 will be subtracted, it becomes 236 and 4 will comes into division. Now 61, 59 plus 1, 60. So there are 60 terms that are divisible by 4 and that lie from 10 and 250. Now next question. Shubha Rao started work in 1995 at the annual salary of 5,000 and receives an increment of 200 per year. That means he started with a salary of 5,000 and he got the increment 200 per year, then again 200 per year, in which year his income reached to 7,000. See, first we know that he started his job with a sum of 5,000. Yearly increment is, so next year he got 5,200, on the next year he got 5,400, and at the end, that is the last year, we have to find out when he reached to 7,000. So A is equals to 5,000, D is equals to 200, AN is equals to 7,000. So AN is equals to A plus n minus 1D. So 5,000 will come to the left side and it becomes 2,000. Now n minus 1 into 200 is equals to 2,000 and n minus 1 is equals to 10. So n is equals to 11. So you can see at the end of 11 year his salary becomes 7,000. So dear students, this is what we have learned about the nth term about the AP. In AP, again, I would like to revise all this. It is a sequence of numbers. The difference between each term is constant, and the nth term is a plus n minus 1d. We have learned about nth term and the word problems and the questions related to it. Now in the next lecture we learn about if the terms are given, how can we find out the sum of these terms very quickly by using two formulas. Yes, by using only two formulas. Okay students, thank you so much for watching this.